charges?
Extremely disappointed, and I cannot comment on what went on in the jury room. But I think the public knows, there's no judge in that grand jury. We're going to ask for the earliest possible trial date we can get, where we can present documentation, cross-examine witnesses, and present additional witnesses to be heard by a jury. In this situation, at this point, the grand jury has come back with some indictments, charges. I'm disappointed, but it's just the beginning, and we're going to try to get this trial held within the next 60 days, 30 to 60 days if we can. We have a great deal of evidence to present, a great number of witnesses to present, and the sooner we can get to the jury, the better this case is going to be.
Was it a mistake to let him testify today?
He had a choice at this point. He did, in fact, testify. I can't comment more in there about that. I'd really like to, but I'm prohibited from doing that, and I follow the law. I'm not going to do that. He will, I can assure you, have a lot to say publicly in a public trial where he can comment without suffering contempt charges for saying what happened in the grand jury.
They say they're going to convene another grand jury to look at the sexual battery case again. Does that concern you?
No, not at all. It does concern me that they charge him, the victim testified, we got the grand jury testimony, which they continue through today to refuse to let us publish publicly. We have gone to the First Circuit, we're going now to the Fourth Circuit, we're going to go to the State Supreme Court. We need that grand jury testimony, which we say the indictment in St. Bernard was in fact obtained through perjury.